Hi everyone, this is a video tutorial of how to fix a zip premium that has a button that doesn't work. As you can see, we can click in here, it's not working. Even the volume buttons. So what I discovered that if your cell phone falls from a high place, or just if it happens that you threw it in bed, there's a possibility that the plugs inside got disconnected. So to open the back sides, you might have to use a heat gun around the sides and open it with a, I don't know, something that will fit at the sides. And once you open it, it's just going to be very easy. You see there's a flex in here and it got disconnected, and that's the problem. You just have to press it and reconnect it. See, that's the flex. You just have to reconnect it. You'll feel it once it got connected. And you turn your back cover. See, it's working already.